Omoto Fufeyin, my humble servant, I will show mercy to whom I will show mercy. Thy people has obeyed thy instructions, and I, the Lord, have showed mercy. From heaven I have heard their cry. I have taken away their burdens, and I have healed them from every afflictions. Hold your break. Do not go on this journey without my children. Let them journey with you, my servant. Thus saith the Lord, thy Lord of hosts.
Lord, your servant is listening. Yes.
Dear Mafia Prophet Jeremiah, aren't you tired of this your criminality, this act of imbecility? Aren't you tired? See, this your hypocrisy is stinks, is irritating, is disgusting, is nauseating. For once, get sense. Jeremiah, Mafia Prophet Jeremiah, for once, borrow sense, get sense now. Something they get boundary, you know they get boundary. Imagine relaxing himself in the private jet like me, and God started speaking, and he was captured on camera with microphone. Mr. Mafia, Mr. Mumu, why did you just use that plane, that jet, just a little bit go off further so I can just meet with God? Some of us that still have our brain intact, our intellect, you understand? Things like this is insulting to us. Things like this is insulting to our intelligence. There's some people whose mindset has been bastardized with religion, with anything that comes from a so-called man of God, mayor of God, pastor or pythons. They run with it. Don't speak against God's anointed. Does your pastor know Bible like me? You know Bible, he won't be your pastor. In them maybe a verse. Some people that should be one call and practicing witch doctor, they just come and aren't you guys tired of deception? This deception is so irritating, so insulting to my intelligence. I don't know of others. My humble servant, you humble. So go, wait. Jeremiah, Mafia Jeremiah. So God call you my humble servant. You humble, you Mafia. You Mafia, all last year, last 2 years, anybody that speak against you, you look for your boys that will go and market them, that will go and kidnap them. Throw lawsuit against them. Mafia, you humble. Agbero like you. It's irritating. See, if you come here to tap in my comment section to swat type defender, the thunder will go blow down your hand and your head there. That thunder, if they do press up, if they let work. You understand? If they do press up, they will prepare for you. Just be careful with my comment section. If you don't get it to talk, just get out. I don't want to see you here. So irritating now. Now don't guess it. It's so it's disgusting. I am the servant. Jeremiah. If you want to act, can't you join Hollywood? Join Hollywood now. You did Sabbath. You did Death and Sabbath the same day. Join them. Go the act. That you want act. You know. Oh God. Just making sure. You're just making sure to tiring for some persons. It's making it tiring for a lot of persons. 419 criminal. That means they talk on you. You know, I don't fear you one day, like you know. So also throw your lawsuit. Oh no. My humble servant, Prophet Jeremiah, let them hear your word. The word you are organizing. The problem here be say, somebody told me last year with her phone or your matter. The person said no, his problem is illiteracy. This is not illiteracy. The problem is that this guy is a crook. That crook he be. His problem is only illiteracy. That crook he be. He has a mindset of criminality. So that criminality, that is the criminality. You understand? Is what is the motivation. That criminality, that greedy mindset is the motivation behind everything that he do online. You know that he's doing. Is the motivation. And Reggie, So irritating that Saba, like you come out like this. All the people are the way all of them are criminals. So all the money is coming. All of you, all of you, all of you. The special part, special place. May God prepare for her for bottomless pit for her. Her fire dey but bottomless pit call they die. Where God prepare for her, where He prepare for her. Now better repent to before it's too late. So disgusting. My obo mumu mafia. Can't get that.